Please be seated. Please find a very comfortable posture. Keep your back straight as much as you can. Gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. Calm down your mind. Relax your whole body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Observe all the different parts of your body individually and see if they are relaxed, free from tension or strain. Breathe in deeply, breathe out softly. Relax, relax, relax. Let's practice loving kindness meditation, thinking, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. Understand the meaning of each words deeply and clearly and repeat them to yourself. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. Be loving and kind person to yourself. Self-love is greatest medicine to heal yourself within. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Wish to yourself, bless to yourself. May I be free from mental and physical suffering. May I be free from illness, fear, anger, jealousy, ego, worrying. May I be free from all the negative thoughts. May I be able to take care of myself happily. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. If you are truly loving and kind person to yourself, it's much easier to love others. Feel peaceful, loving thoughts to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now think about your family, your friends, and your loved ones. Imagine them individually. May my parents, children, grandchildren, husband or wife, boyfriend or girlfriend, your best friend, close friends, all brothers and sisters. And also think about your pets. May all my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now think about in your life, maybe different person, difficult person. Imagine their faces or send your loving kindness to your difficult people. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. When you feel loving kindness towards others, it helps you also to develop in a happiness and peace. Now extend all of your loving kindness and compassionate thoughts to all the world. So many people are suffering mentally and physically. Some people are in hunger, thirst, danger. Some people they don't have houses, family, friends. In this moment, appreciate yourself and please send your loving kindness to all the world. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all human beings and non-human beings and also nature of the environment be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all beings be free from mental and physical suffering. May they be free from sickness, fear, anger, hatred, dangers, worries. May they be free from all the negative thoughts. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be peaceful. Now, slowly turn your attention to your subtle sensation of the breath, your natural, ordinary breath. Take in every breath mindfully, take out every breath mindfully. No need to control your breathing. Center attention to the tip of your nose. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. If you want to change your posture anytime, you can change your posture. Do it mindfully and slowly. Keep your back straight. It's very helpful to breathe. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. So many thoughts, sensation, feelings, emotions, sounds come to your mind. Let them come and go. Focus on your natural, ordinary breath. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Where is your mind? Please bring it back to the breath. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. The goal of meditation isn't to control your thoughts. It is to stop letting them control you. So many sounds, thoughts, sensation, emotions, feelings may distract your mind. Let them come and go. Focus on your natural, ordinary breath. Letting go give us freedom, and freedom is the only condition for happiness. If in your mind you still cling to anything, fear, anger, worrying, any negative thoughts, this is the time to let it go. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. Now observe your mind. Observe your body. Your body is relaxed, mind is calm, tranquil, and peaceful. Think about how important it is to practice this meditation every day, keeping ourselves happy, peaceful, and balanced. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day. May peace be with you. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. Thank you very much. Please open your eyes. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for coming and practicing with us, and also who's joining with us online. I think we practice meditation, loving kindness, and mindfulness. We purify our mind, we cultivate our mind. This is very important, and also this is our training time. Sitting and practicing like this, and also after we go to our regular life, we can use this experience, how to use this experience. That's the important thing, because we'll practice loving kindness and also mindfulness little by little, because our mind producing always thoughts, creating one after another, so many thousands of thoughts we are creating in our mind, we have in our mind. That's why we couldn't control our mind, but we can be mindful about our thoughts. Then we can manage it. We can see our thoughts clearly, we can manage it. That's the way we can understand ourselves clearly. If we understand our mind, our thoughts, then we can manage it. We can clearly see it, our thoughts and our mind, using this loving kindness and this mindfulness practice. Then whenever you feel unhappy or any negative thoughts, you can manage it. This morning I listened a Dhamma talk, a great meditation teacher. I learned some teaching, and I want to share with you what I learned about our practice and our mind and our thoughts. I told you that we always in our mind so many thoughts, one after another, thousands of thoughts. If we are seeing it, mindful about it, we can see it. Maybe you experience when you are practicing meditation, you focusing your breath, but your mind automatically go to different direction, and that's why I keep guide you come back to breath, because our mind's nature is always wandering and go to different direction. This is the particular nature of our mind. We all experience. There's a Pali word called papancha, in Sanskrit, prapancha. Its English meaning is mental pro um, proliferation or self reflexive thinking. Simple way is what is the meaning? Simple. Um, uh, we have so many thoughts in our mind. Always we are creating. That's the we create so many story in our mind. When we practice meditation, if you are being mindful, you can see your thoughts. So many thoughts creating. That's the prapancha. Sometimes those are not real. Those are like dreaming or fantasizing. Uh, because of those, sometimes we are happy, but sometimes we are not happy about it. Um, and also, we sometimes we create a problem with that because of our thoughts. Um, I have a story. There was three magicians. Um, so um, they are walking through a forest. On the way in the forest, they saw they found bones, some bones. That's bones of dead tiger's skeleton. Then one magician, what he said, I know one of magic spell. I can make these bones all together, get together a skeleton as a real tiger. Then what other two said, oh, if you can do that, do it. They challenged him. Then what he did, he used his magic spell and he bonds together. He make the nice skeleton using his magic. Then second magician, what he don't want to be second, and he's thinking, oh, you think you know only magic? I know magic too. Then what he said, I can make this tiger's body like what is the word? Flesh and skin. Then what he did, he used his magic spell and he created the spells and skin as a real tiger. Then third magician, he's um, he's telling, you know, I have a best magic spell. I can see what I am going to do. what he did, he did his magic spell and he gave a life for the tiger. What do you think? What happened next? Yeah, that's the what is the next magic? The tiger attacked the three magicians and um, killed them and ate them. That's that's simple. That story why I used Prapancha, what I mean, mental, it's very difficult to pronounce that word. I wrote down, but mental proliferation. Um, Prapancha, like that third state. Our mind story, sometimes we are thinking and we creating our story and those not real sometimes is make creating as a that third state happen we always get finally we get killed from our own emotion. That's why we create that kind of thoughts. Our own thoughts make us unhappy, and whatever you can call it, it could be fear or anger, worry, or maybe anxiety. Just one thought come, it's come one after another, and we are feeding it. It's become a bigger and bigger big story in our mind. We keep holding and clinging it. It's make us all the negativities come to us. My point is, when we are practicing loving kindness and mindfulness, that's the way we can use this. We can be mindful about our thoughts, our thinking, and we can manage it. We can see it clearly. That's our goal. That's our we have to do it. Then we can manage our thoughts. We can see clearly. Otherwise, we sitting and practicing. This time we feel good and we are happy, we are peaceful. But after we go back to our normal life, we again same person. Um, I have another story. There was a rabbit. Uh, that was a Jataka tale. I make very short the story. The rabbit was sleeping under the bilwa tree. Under the bilwa tree, you know bilwa, that like a wood apple. It's a hard shell and inside the taste fruit. And next to the bilwa tree, there's a palm tree. That palm tree has a huge leaves, very hard leaves. Anyway, rabbit was sleeping under the bilwa tree and deep sleep. And in 1 second, rabbit heard a huge sound. Then he woke up. He was thinking, "A world is collapsing, world breaking parts." Then he get so fearful. He start to run. He running and running. Then other rabbits, other friends, they ask, why are you running? This world is collapsing. World is uh, failing parts. Then they are start to run into. Then they are running. Then in the jungle, rabbits they are running, and other animals, deers and other all the animals Why are you running? The world is collapsing. World falling apart. Then tigers and bear and all the animals all together start to run. And running and running, elephants. Then finally there's a huge sound, all the animals running to edge of the forest is there's a mountain and there's a cliff. They are running to they want to save their life. Then that sound heard who's the leader of the jungle, the lion. Uh, Lion came outside, then asked about it, and he also started to run. Then what lion did, he started to stop and why are you guys running? Then he started to ask. Then they explained the story. Okay. Then what he said, let me go backward. Then what all the other animals said, no, we have to save our life. We have to run. We have to save our life. Then no, let me go backward. And just before do this. Then who start the story? The rabbit asked the story. Then the lion went with the rabbit to the place. And what happened? Rabbit, when rabbit was sleeping under the bilwa tree, there's a right bill fruit fell down to the farm leaves. It's make huge sound. Then he create the story. He get the fearful, bigger story. It's become a huge story in the jungle. Everyone get scared and they were thinking world is collapsing. World is falling apart. Think that this Jataka tale teach us a beautiful message. What is the message? Sometimes this sound, just sound, what we in senses and what we are taking, sometimes we are thinking because of others and also in because of our thoughts, we create a lot of emotional problem, prapancha, we create a lot of mentally and physically lot of difficulties, lot of negative thoughts. As that rabbit, good thing, if we be mindful, as that lion, he wait and what he did, he went to the backward, the road. Where's the sound came from? Where's the problem start? That's if we are being mindful, we can go backward. But otherwise, we keep thinking and creating so many thoughts, story in our mind. We are wandering and we keep it and hold in those, and we couldn't be free. We couldn't let it go. If we are free, can be let it go, we can be free. We can experience peace within ourselves. Please think about this and practice and use this practice to your regular life. That's my message today. Thank you so much, everybody. And now we are going to chant and bless to you. While we are chanting, you can close your eyes and you can practice loving kindness meditation to yourself. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful.
Please listen this chant lovingly and kindly. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma sambuddhassa itipiso bhagavārahං samma vidyācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttara purisa dhamma sārati santā deva manussanam buddho swakkato bhagavata dhammo sanditthiko akaliko ehipansik opanayiko pancantang veditambo viñño Supatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Jupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Ñāya patipanno sangho Yatidan chantari purisa yugāni aṭṭha purisa punga Esa bhagavato sāvaka sangho ahune pahune yo dakkine yo anjali karane yo anuntaram lokan sati tena sanca vanjena dukkha upasamintu te tena bhaya upasamintu te tena sacca vajjena roga upasamintu te tanhang karo mahaviro me saranang karo lokahito dipang karo jutinjaro kondang janapamangko Mangalo purisa sabo sumano sumano revato rati vandano sobito guna sampanno anomadassi padumo loka panjoto narado varasarati padumuntaro santasaro sume pungalo sujato sambalo kango piyadas narasabo danse karuniko dhammadassi tamo siddhanto asmo loke tinso varada sangvaro punso varada sam vipassica anupamo sikhi sambhito santa vissabhusukha kakusando sattvaho konagamano rananjo kassapo siri sampan gotamo sakya pungavo te sansacchena silena kanti tepi tvang anurag රක්칸තු ආරෝග්‍යේන සුඛේන චාති සම්බිතියෝ විවජ්ජ සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛේදී භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සම්බ දේ සම්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ රක්칸තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සම්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ නක්ඛත් යක්ඛ භූතානම් පාපං නිවාරණා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන අන්තු තේ උපන්දවේ ආකාසට්ඨාච බුම්මණ්ඨාදේ ගාමහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං නාගා බුම්මණ්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං නාගසට්ඨා ච බුම්මණ්ඨා දේවානා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night.